Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to play games on Snapchat. Begin by ensuring your Snapchat app is up to date. To make sure, you need to visit the App Store and then tap on the search bar. Search for Snapchat and install the latest version. If the app isn't updated, tap to do it. After that, launch the Snapchat application. Then navigate to the chat section and select the friend with whom you would like to play a game. In chat, look for the Tools section, often represented by a smiley face or sticker icon. Click on it. Some chats may offer game options directly in the stickers menu. If game options aren't visible, go back to your profile by clicking your profile picture. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.